After decades of watching contractors deal with the hassle of moving and repositioning their equipment around the job site, Blast One engineered a fix we think you're going to love. Introducing the Combo Skid, coming up next. Hello, and welcome to this week's Primed Insight. Have you ever wished for a more compact, easier way to organize your blast equipment at a field site? Maybe you're tired of transporting your valuable equipment in the bucket of a skid steer loader. Don't laugh, we've seen it happen more than once. Blast One developed a very robust combo blast unit with the following. We start with a super strong custom steel skid with a diamond plate top that will fit inside the back of your pickup truck. It has a footprint of 4 foot by 6 foot. We then attach your choice of blast pot or mist blaster to it, along with the all-important air dryer. We finish by attaching the breathing air system, including a Radex air filter and CO monitor. The result is an industrial-grade solution to keeping your equipment investment safe. Our combo unit helps ensure that you don't forget a critical piece of your setup, saves time by allowing quick loading and unloading with your forklift, allows you to quickly hook up the bull hose from your compressor to one end of the unit, connect the blast hose and nozzle to the other end, and start blasting without the delays of having to put everything else together. We thought of calling this the pipeliner skid because it's a natural for that application, but any field project can benefit. Looking to rent? We've got these in our rental fleet, and if you're looking to buy, we can also custom build one to fit your specific requirements. Thanks for watching this week's Primed Insight. We'll see you next week.